In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add files to a Bitbucket repository. Start by signing into your Bitbucket account. Once you are signed in, open the workspace that contains the repository you want to update. From there, select the correct repository so you can access its files and folders. After the repository opens, click Source. This will take you to the main file view, where you can see the current contents of the repository. In this area, look for the Add File option and click it to begin adding new content. Bitbucket will usually give you two choices here. You can upload files from your computer, or you can create a brand new file directly inside the repository. Choose the option that matches what you need. If you are uploading files, select Upload Files, and then browse your computer for the file or files you want to add. After you choose them, Bitbucket will prepare them for the commit. If you want to create a new file instead, select Create File, then enter the file name, including the correct file extension if needed. After that, type or paste the content of the file into the editor provided on the page. Once your file changes are ready, move to the Commit section. Enter a clear commit message that describes what you added. This helps keep the repository history organized and makes it easier for others to understand the change later. Next, choose the branch where you want to add the files. In many cases, you may commit directly to your current branch, but if your team uses feature branches, select the one that matches your workflow. Make sure the branch is correct before you continue. When everything looks right, click Commit to save the changes. Bitbucket will then upload the files or create the new file in the repository and record the change in version history. Give it a moment to finish processing. After the commit is complete, return to the repository view and verify that the new files appear in the correct location. You can open the file list and confirm that everything was added as expected. That is the full process for adding files to a Bitbucket repository using the web interface. Whether you are uploading existing files or creating a new one from scratch, the steps are simple once you know where to look. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.